Hello, my name is Pranjal Chandrakar. I'm an assistant professor of data science at Mahindra University School of Management. My expertise and research interests are in the area of data science, machine learning, and sports analytics. Today I'm going to talk about a method which I worked upon recently and which has been accepted for publication in the Australian and New Zealand Journal of Statistics. In this project, we devised a method to calculate the value of cricket players for their franchises. In other words, we quantified a cricket player's contribution to their team's victory. Cricket is a team sport in which different players perform different roles. For a team to win matches, all players have to do their roles properly. In other words, batsmen have to score runs, bowlers have to take wickets, and so on. Because of this complexity, it becomes very difficult for franchises to calculate the values of their players. Franchises need this information to be able to make better teams, devise better strategies, and finally decide the final financial compensation of their players. That's where our method comes into the picture. Runs scored, wickets taken are measures of individual performance, and they are not directly comparable. For example, batsmen score runs and bowlers take wickets, but these measures are not directly comparable. It's like comparing apples to oranges. In our method, we circumvent this problem by calculating the value of a player by estimating how his inclusion in the team affects the team's probability of victory. Yes, we implemented our method and calculated the values of all players who played in IPL between 2015 and 2019. We found that popular players like Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, and Mahendra Singh Dhoni are paid much more than what can be justified by their performance on field. However, this may not be unreasonable because these players have a lot of brand value. They contribute to their franchise by their off-field activities like advertisement, merchandise sales, increasing the fan base, etc. So in this way, our method can also be used to estimate the brand values of these players. You must have heard the phrase, the data is the new oil. Sports analytics is a game changer because if you can make a good use of data, then you have an advantage over your opponents. You can make better strategies and increase the chances of your victory. So in every sport, every franchise is using sports analytics in some form or the other. You can make a career in sports analytics by studying data science and machine learning algorithms in your undergraduate and postgraduate programs. If you want to become an expert, you can also opt for a PhD, and that should be enough. The economist Rosen came up with theory of superstars. According to that theory, a few players always earn much more than what can be justified by their performance on field. We see the evidence of this theory in IPL, and we expect a few players to earn much more in the upcoming IPL auctions. In today's sports industry, the use of data and machine learning algorithms has become prominent, and because of this, a lot of research work is expected in future. Thank you.